Aware ka ba na may rules of patakaran po sa PBA? Tingin niyo po ba ay may mga buting ideas ang pagpapatpatawalan ng bangko?
Of course, in the first place, of course, shouldn't be that affectionate with each other when they are. It endangers both the person, both the girl and the guy. I think at a very young age, people shouldn't be that affectionate with each other unless they're already thinking of getting married.
Kahit naman po kailangan, ba niyo kailangan ipagpagpag?
First of all, it's tempting. If it's allowed everywhere, then it's gonna be tempting, and the next thing you know, half of the people who have relationships in university are already pregnant. So also to guard the students.
Sa moralidad ng kabataan, ang magagawa mo siya?
Moralidad ng kabataan, marami. Yun na nga, it guards our purity as a person. It helps us focus on what we really have to focus on. It doesn't, through the rule of no public display of affection, it helps us guard like who we are individually, like ako, it will guard my femininity and also for the side.
Kaya integridad naman ang eskwelahan.
Like what I said earlier, di ba? Kung pwede, imagine may bumisita na lang, tapos super dami dito niya, tignan mo that are really displaying, talagang unnecessary affection. I think it would be also really helpful. And we're a Catholic school, we're a Christian institution. Parang if someone visits us puro ganun, parang really wouldn't have a good reputation.
Para sa inyo, ano ang PBA?
Okay. What? Okay.
Parang holding hands ba, habit, anong form?
What are your forms? Gosh, that's a hard question. I think marami. Siguro, wait lang. I'm not really sure. Siguro, hugging yan siguro, pwede na. Tapos, kung kunwari, gabi, tapos nandun kayo sa lover's lane, kayong dalawa lang, tapos super lapit nyo, and yung space nyo, siguro, 1 feet apart na lang. Para half a meter, PBA na, para sa akin, PBA na yun.
Parang pag-holding hands.
Holding hands, I think, oo na lang. I'm not really sure, oo ata.
Salamat po.